All right. I've got Kyle Drake on deck, and I've got Michelle Monfort coming up. She's also new, so let's make it a very nice warm room for her. Make some noise for Michelle.
Thank you, Annie. It's great to be here. I am single and looking for a relationship, but only for the good times. You know, wine me, dine me, then Venmo me? Wait, that sounds like a hooker. I'm not a hooker. I want a hooker, a male hooker. I have always had bad taste in guys. I think I have a bad picker. I blame my childhood though. My first crush was the garbage man. He was so hot. He had this delicious greasy hair, wife beater, and the smell of regret. I used to get so excited for trash day. I'd see him pull up in his big dirty truck, watch him throw our trash can over his shoulder like it was nothing. And I was like, wow, one day. One time he caught me staring at him, and he looked up and he said, "Hey." And I swear, for the first time, I tingled. Then there were the truckers on the open highway. I don't know what it was about those guys. They're always on the go, driving away, kind of like my dad. I used to beg my mom to pull alongside of them so I could ask them to honk their horn. They looked down in the car with their handlebar mustache and cheap sunglasses. And I was like, yeah, I'll see you in 5 years. I also had a thing for construction workers. You know, they were so sexy with their hard hats and big shovels, always digging up dirt, which I guess applies to grave diggers too. Maybe I just have a thing for dirt and trash. I remember my first one-night stand. It was special. I met this guy in Vegas at the Motel 6 pool. He invited me up to his room for drinks. We had a good time. The next morning though, he rolled over and he said, "I should probably tell you, I'm in the Hells Angels." I was like, oh. And then I said to him, "I should probably tell you I have herpes." Now he's in 2 clubs. Then there was the Navy SEAL team. The Navy SEAL. That guy broke my heart. I found out he had a team of girls in every city. I was team 17. Didn't even make top 10. I've also had a bad picker when it comes to women. Yeah, I went through a lesbian phase. She was so high maintenance though. She was hot or cold or bleeding every month. She told me she had recently lost 30 pounds. And I was like, "You did? Are you gonna lose 30 more?" She never called again. You guys, I don't know if I'm ever gonna find my true love, but I'm not gonna sweat it because tomorrow is trash day. Yeah. Thank you, that's my tone.